everyone. My name is Ian McGowan. I am a dual degree program student. I'm online for the MSW. I attend class in person for the human sexuality classes. And my first year placement was with NET Centers, Northeast Treatment Centers, and I worked with foster kids that were preparing to be placed in their permanent home situation, whatever that might be. Typically adoption, but not always. I'm retired from the military, and I work as a parole agent for Pennsylvania Board of Probation and Parole. And my experience in working with families in my job and field placement, well, I work with families in both. For the field placement, I was working with the families where most of the kids I was working with were getting placed. And a lot of my parolees, they live with their families, so I'm, go to their house or homes and visit with them there, talk with the parolee and whatever family that they're with in that home, about how they are successful, what's not going well, and how to fix what's not going well type of stuff. The basic structure of the family I was raised in, so almost a nuclear family, but so because both my parents are deaf, my dad collected SSI, and he didn't work on the books for a living. So he gave out those little ABC cards with the sign language alphabet on there. So because of that, he didn't want to marry my mom because then it would mess with his benefits. 9/11 actually changed that a lot because where he made most of his money was at the airport. And after 9/11, the way you could enter the terminals, you basically had to have a ticket to get past security to get in the terminals, which was not like that before 9/11. So that really affected his how he worked. But even after that, he just never got married. And then they have some other kids besides myself. Role I played in my own family. Going back to family, I guess a little bit. I am a father now, married, and I have 3 girls, whereas my parents had 3 boys. Role. Well, I guess one of the roles I'm doing right now is myself and my older brother have been putting together a beef and beer for my younger brother. He just got diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer, and the beef and beer is actually this Saturday. And for so many reasons, I just want that to come here and be done with, so I can get back to focusing on other things, which sounds horrible in a way, but I need to not be doing other stuff so much, I feel like sometimes. Burning questions about families. No, I don't have any burning questions about families. Look forward to seeing your post and doing my replies. Take care, folks.